In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pros and cons slide in Canva. This is a clean, effective slide. You can drop into any presentation when you need to compare options or summarize a decision. Start by opening Canva. If you're using the website or the app, you'll land on the home dashboard. From here, click Presentation to start a new slide deck. The standard widescreen size works well for most meetings and classrooms, and it gives you plenty of room for clear comparisons without feeling cramped. Next, use the search bar at the top of the template panel and type pros and cons or comparison. This brings up designs that already think in twos, which saves time. Preview a few options and look for something with strong contrast, generous white space, and simple typography. You want the content to be the focus, not the decoration. If the colors or fonts aren't perfect, that's fine. You can adjust them later. If your chosen template doesn't already have a split layout, insert 2 columns or a clean split down the middle. Aim for equal width columns with comfortable margins so nothing hugs the edges. A subtle divider line or a gap of space can help each side feel distinct while still part of the same slide. Now, label the left column pros and the right column cons. Keep the headings consistent in size and weight so the viewer immediately understands the structure. A bold, easy-to-read font for the headings and a lighter, smaller font for the body text creates a clear hierarchy that guides the eye. Under each heading, add short bullet points. Keep them brief. Think concise phrases rather than sentences, and use parallel wording so they scan quickly. 3 to 5 points per side is usually the sweet spot for clarity. If a point feels long, split it or trim it until each line communicates one idea cleanly. For instant visual clarity, use green for pros and red for cons. Apply these colors to the headings or to the bullet text, and keep everything else neutral so the color does the sorting for the audience. Make sure the text still has strong contrast against the background for readability. Finally, add simple icons beside each point. Search for minimal, consistent icon styles so they look like a set. Keep icons small enough to support the text without competing with it, and align them neatly with each line so the slide feels tidy and intentional. A check mark or thumbs up works well for pros, and a caution or minus symbol fits cons. That's it. Your polished pros and cons slide is ready to make decisions clearer at a glance.